Welcome back. The Goa Football Association has shown a little discomfort over Goa's Cricket Association's requirement of the Nehru Stadium in Fatorda for 45 days. GCA has applied for the services of the ground to host an international one-day cricket match in February or March next year.
The Fatorda Stadium usually remains occupied at the turn of the year with the Football I-League matches. This time round, Churchill Brothers will be playing in the AFC Club Championship, making Fatorda Stadium its home venue. However, GCA's hope of hosting a cricket ODI will only rise to a clash in the football and cricket fixtures. Speaking exclusively to Prudent Media on Friday, GFA Secretary Savio Messias asserted that the clash in fixtures will create a little inconvenience.
First, ensure that the ODI is going to be allotted to Goa, and then maybe we could consider. Now, having said that, let's say the ODI is allotted to GCA. Well, first of all, the GFA has booked the ground till the month of May. In the month of February, March, we shall also be hosting some AFC Cup matches involving Churchill Brothers. If any Goan team wins the Federation Cup, then again there will be some more AFC Cup matches to be played in Goa. And considering these factors, it will create a lot of inconvenience to us. It's not that we are against ODIs being hosted in Goa, but now considering that an ODI will be allotted to GCA, there is room for adjustments, because in the month of February the I-League will have a break. Now the problem is the GCA may require the ground for 45 days to prepare the pitch. But then after the ODI is over, it takes nearly 15 days, minimum 15 days to get grass to grow on the pitch. There will be probably 5 ODIs being played in India. So not necessarily it should be the last ODI allotted to Goa, it could be the first ODI. So we are able to adjust. So if we can sit across and GCA are willing to adjust, and of course the BCCI also should be willing to adjust.
Our sports reporter from Panji, Patterson Fernandes, with video journalist Anil Sanadi.
The All India Football Federation will be having a meeting very soon over the Bharti Airtel Manchester United Football Academy at Kunkoli. Urban Development Minister Joki Alimau had promised earlier that he would try to bring the football academy back to Goa if the option is still open. The land that measures 1,26,000 square meters was allotted for the academy. However, the confusion in land transfer between Housing Board Ministry headed by Miki Pacheco and Goa State Urban Development Agency of Joki only led to delay. This forced the AIFF to shift the project to Haryana. With the land transfer issue solved, Alimau had a meeting with AIFF General Secretary Albert Culasso in view of a possible return of the academy project to Goa. After the meeting, Alimau revealed that the AIFF will decide on the matter very soon.
I had requested that if they want back football academy, we have a meeting All India Football Federation very soon, and we will get a reply from them. After reply, we will take a decision.
Our reporter from Kunkodi, Ramesh Naik Raut. PCCE College from Verna set up a clash with St. Xavier's College from Mapsa in the finals of the Inter-College Basketball Tournament. The tournament is organized by Don Bosco Auditory from Panji.
In the exciting first semi-final, PCCE defeated crowd favourites Don Bosco College 38-27. In the second semi-final, St. Xavier's had an easy outing against Dempe College from Miramar. St. Xavier's won 60-15. The final between PCCE and St. Xavier's will be played on Saturday. Here are some highlights of both the semi-finals. Our sports reporter from Panji, Patterson Fernandes, with video journalist Anil Sanadi.
Let's have a look at the headlines once again. Mickey blames Digambar and Ravi for filing FIR against him. Digambar denies charges, says it's time for the tainted ministers to think about themselves. Alim House refused to comment on Mickey's FIR. Are the friends not going to stay together in trouble? In an exclusive interview to Prudent, Mickey says he was instigated by Congress leaders to file disqualification petition against Churchill, a Prudent media exclusive. GFA Secretary Savio Messias says clash of cricket ODI and Football I-League matches will create inconvenience. Feels GCA and BCCI should adjust dates according to the I-League break. And AIFF will discuss on Football Academy in Goa very soon, said Joki Alemao. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.